Hello guys, and in today's video, you will learn how you can easily link your EA account to your YouTube account. This connection lets you earn in-game rewards automatically whenever you watch eligible videos or live streams. Let's begin. First, open YouTube and then make sure you are already signed in. Then you can click on your profile icon over here on the top right corner, scroll down, and then select Settings. On the left side, choose Connected Applications. This one, then you can log into your EA account. Click on Connect over here, Connect, then Continue. And once here, you can now scroll down, click Allow, and then you have now successfully connected your EA account. Then just click on Got It. And that's it. That's pretty much how you can connect your EA accounts. You can now start watching YouTube videos and live streams and earn in game rewards. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.